Going skiing this weekend? Uber would like to help you out.
Xbox,
Twitter,
Uber,
Postmates,
Netflix, MoviePass,
Google, eBay,
DoorDash,
Apple, Amazon, Airbnb,
The Apptrepreneur. Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here and you happen to like videos like this, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification. We upload on a near daily basis and you would like to be notified when we upload new stuff and do live streams, premieres, all that fun stuff. So anyway, Uber, Dara Khosrowshahi, the CEO of Uber, said earlier this year, or maybe it was last year when the stock IPO, it was IPO this year, right? Oh my gosh, has time flown? I'm sorry, it's so crazy during the holidays. But anyway, so Dara Khosrowshahi said that Uber would like to be the Amazon of everything. And by the way, being the Amazon of everything means a couple things. First of all, you will eventually get way too powerful for your own good, and the government will eventually have to break you up. The government will have to break Amazon up. And two, it means you're going to be losing money for a long, long time, which unlike Amazon, which investors did not mind losing money for 20 plus damn years, Uber, they are getting impatient with after losing money for less than 1 year. So good luck being the Uber of everything, like Amazon. Good luck with that. However, they have announced one more thing that might actually differentiate themselves and might, maybe, possibly, I don't know, put them in a category where they are not just a transportation service. However, before we talk about that, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about my sponsors, gigworker.com. Gigworker.com is right now doing a survey where they want to hear from you, the drivers, about your experience driving for Uber. They will take these survey results and they will share them with big publications like Vice and Vox and TV networks. And your voice could be heard about what it's like driving for Uber. And they want to compensate you for this by giving you $5 for your 5 to 6 minutes of time. So here's what you do. You click the link below and you take the survey, you provide a screenshot of last week's Uber rides that you took and a PayPal-friendly email address, and you will get paid at the end of the week. You will get your $5. It's very easy. You can even do it while you're waiting for another ride in the airport queue. Very simple. Hey, we all like an extra $5 here and there, right? So anyway, click that link below. It's well worth your time. The thing that Uber launched today is a ski service. UberSKI. Which, now I think about it, you probably knew that's what the product was by reading the title. But hey, let's look at this. So, Uber wants to give skiers a lift to the lifts. On Wednesday, Uber introduced a new service called UberSKI, which is designed for riders who want to get up to the slopes, but don't feel like doing all the driving that comes along with that experience. Starting immediately, Uber users in 23 US markets will see an UberSKI icon appear on their app when they request a ride. Riders will pay an extra surcharge for a vehicle that is guaranteed to come with extra space or a rack that can store skis or snowboards, and can also arrange for UberSKI rides to take them home at the end of the skiing day. From a consumer point of view, this sounds awesome. From the drivers, I'm a little skeptical, of course. Drivers will not be required to accept UberSKI rides. If they do, they will have to provide photographic evidence that their cars are equipped to handle ski equipment. Well, that's probably a no-brainer. Uber added that drivers will receive a significant portion of the UberSKI surcharge on top of their regular ride payments. Yeah, let's talk about that for a second. We don't know exactly what it's going to be. However, from my experience, a significant portion from Uber usually means 30 to 45%, something like that. Uber still collects the vast majority of these surcharges. Like whether it's Uber Wine or Uber Eats or Uber Freight, Uber is still always screwing the people doing it. So you will make more money doing UberSKI. And for some, that might be all you need. I will let you decide if you're one of the areas that does this. But keep in mind, Uber, I always find it interesting that Uber says a significant fee. They won't actually commit to, oh, they'll get 75%, they'll get 60%, they'll get 50%. They normally say significant portion because, you know what, hey, 35% from a certain point of view is a significant portion because that's Uber's money. No, it's not. It's actually your money, but Uber wants to take it. So anyway, Uber is launching UberSKI in 23 markets that are close to multiple ski resorts. The areas where UberSKI will be available are Anchorage, Alaska, Boise, Idaho, Boston, Denver, Colorado Springs, and Fort Collins, Colorado, the Colorado Rockies, Flagstaff, Arizona, Eastern Washington, Grand Rapids, Michigan, Green Bay, Wisconsin, the Lehigh Valley of Pennsylvania, Minneapolis, St. Paul, New Hampshire, Portland, Oregon, Portland, Maine, Salt Lake City, Seattle, upstate New York, Vermont, Wilkes-Barre, and Scranton, Pennsylvania, Worcester, Massachusetts, and Wyoming. I probably messed at least one of those terms up. I am sorry about that right now. So those are the cities that this is in the market. So I guess it's not going to be in my area or my parents' area, nor my brother's. Sorry, Victor, I guess you're going to have to drive to the mountains. That's not completely fair. We're near snow. We don't really have ski resorts here, but, you know, we have something. No, I kid. I kid. So anyway, that's what UberSKI is. So yeah, I guess it's more transportation, because what the heck else does Uber do? Okay, so let's see here. They have Uber, Uber Black, Uber Eats, Uber Freight, Uber Wine, UberSKI, and Uber Dive. Really, I think Uber Dive is the only one that's not, strictly speaking, transportation. They also have Uber Copter, I guess. Uber Dive is the scuba dive thing they do in Australia. So, you know, I don't know if that's transportation so much as it's a, you know, a tourist thing. So anyway, that's all we have to talk about. I have no real opinion. I don't ski. I've never skied, and I don't think I ever will start skiing at this point in time. I know a lot of friends who do, so hey, maybe they can tell me if this is actually any good or if it works. Yeah, I guess if you do this, you'll be getting more money, but, you know, we all know what Uber means by that. You're not going to be getting nearly as much as what Uber's going to take. But hey, we'll leave it at that. That's our new product, UberSKI. So what do you think? Do any of you want to use this? Do any of you want to drive for this? Would you consider, is this a good thing, a bad thing? I would love to know what you think. So, you know the drill. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe. If you enjoy my videos, consider becoming a Patreon member. It's totally optional, of course, but even as little as $1 a month goes a long way to helping the channel run smoothly. You get access to my private Discord server. If you want more content from me, check out Kevin T. Rodriguez, the Apptrepreneur vlogs, and Autograph Hound. If gas prices get you a little down, check out the website out below. It's totally free, but you get cash back on every gas purchase. And finally, if you want to talk to me or other fellow Uber skiers, I guess, check us out at the Apptrepreneur Hangouts on Facebook. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.